Okay, let's look at another hack, batch working. Now, studies have shown that organizing your workday basing on recurring themes that increase your productivity, you can actually, you increase your productivity and reduce your stress. By batching similar tasks together, you enter in a much more focused state of mind and you complete those tasks much better. This also reduces the overall cognitive overload of task switching, which is switching between unrelated tasks, which generally reduces productivity and increases stress. For example, you can do something like this. You dedicate Monday to all administrative tasks and emails and paperwork. Tuesdays and Thursdays could be client meetings. Wednesdays could be for marketing or business development. And Friday, you could get your creative juices flowing. So you could do some creative work, some writing, some designing. And when you structure your days in this way, you can ensure that the tasks that you're working align with your goals and strengths, and you will be less likely to waste time, get distracted because of task switching. You can also use this approach to do more important tasks and tackle them when you have the most amount of energy. So overall, batch working is amazing when you have days with recurring themes. For different days, they help you increase your productivity, reduce your stress, and you achieve better results, period.